The Volvo S80 II from 2006 to 2016 uses a two-step mechanical hood release system designed for safety. This overview guides you through unlocking and opening the bonnet, including essential steps and updates as of 2026. While newer Volvos feature electric releases, the S80 II maintains a reliable manual system. We focus on the standard procedure. The first step involves locating and pulling the primary release lever inside the car. This lever is typically found on the lower left side of the driver's footwell, beneath the dashboard. It's marked with a hood icon. A firm pull will disengage the initial latch. Once you've located the secondary latch under the hood's center, push or pull it firmly to disengage the lock. This releases the final catch holding the hood closed. After releasing the latch, gently lift the hood upward with both hands. Avoid sudden movements to prevent damage to hinges or the latch mechanism. Look for the prop rod or gas strut that holds the hood open. Engage it securely by inserting the rod into its bracket or allowing the gas strut to extend fully. Ensure the hood is fully supported by the prop or strut before beginning any work in the engine bay. Never rely on the latch alone to hold it open. When closing the hood, lower it gently and press down firmly to ensure both latches engage. Test by trying to lift the hood slightly to confirm it's secure and won't open while driving. A common issue with the Volvo S80 II hood release is a stretched or corroded release cable. If the hood doesn't release easily after pulling the interior lever, the cable may have stretched over time or corroded due to moisture. To prevent squeaks and sticking, lubricate the hinges and latch mechanism annually. Use a silicone-based lubricant on moving parts to keep everything operating smoothly. If you suspect a bent cable due to a minor collision, inspect the mechanism carefully. A bent cable won't function properly and should be replaced with a kit to ensure reliable operation. To ensure the hood release system functions smoothly, lubricate the hinges and latch annually with silicone-based spray. This prevents wear and maintains smooth operation. Check the cable tension periodically and adjust as needed to ensure proper engagement. Address any signs of corrosion promptly to prevent the cable from sticking or breaking. Regular maintenance extends the life of the mechanism and ensures reliability. While the S80 II has a manual hood release system, retrofit kits are available to upgrade to a smart hood release. These kits enable remote unlocking through a smartphone app, providing modern convenience for accessing the engine bay. The retrofit kits typically cost between $200 and $500 and are not standard equipment on the S80 II. Consider this upgrade if you want a more modern and convenient way to access the hood. Always ensure the hood is securely latched after closing. Double-check that the secondary latch is engaged to prevent accidental opening while driving. If you're unsure about any step, consult your vehicle's manual or seek professional assistance from a certified mechanic. Safety first.